welcome back to all of you in Python series. In today's video we are going to cover a string function. In last video we have seen how to define a string, how to fetch any individual character with the help of slicing. We have seen len function, ord function. Okay, in today's function we'll more specifically talk about the string function, right? So in today's video I have just categorized this string function into three categories, right? So the first one is your string validation function, the second function is your string modification function, and the third category is search related function. Okay, so let's start first with the string validation function. So in string validation function we have some function through which we can validate that particular string is of any specific type or not. For example, we have one function called is lower, so we can apply that function on any string and check whether that particular string is in lowercase or not. Similarly, we have is upper function, so with the help of is upper function we can find that particular string is in uppercase or not. So how to do this? Okay, so for this what I do, I just use one variable. Okay, I just created one variable called a and assigned this variable with India. Okay, now I just define one more variable k and I just write a. In first video we have seen that in Python everything is object, so here my variable a is also an object type, so I can fetch any method of this object a with the help of dot. So I need to just check is upper, right, and I just write one function and need to pass k. So your a is of upper type, no, so you should get output as a boolean, so you will get output as a false and true based on a condition, right? So this function will always return boolean data type. Okay, now here your output is false because your India is not in uppercase, right? Similarly, we can use this function is lower, right, and I just run the program. Now you can see in both cases you got the output as a false because your a is not in uppercase, not in lowercase. I just write this, replace capital I with small I, and I just run the program. You can see output of the second is function is true, so that means your a is in lowercase, right? So this validate the string is in lowercase, this will in uppercase, right? Now let's move to other function, right? We also have some function called is alphanumeric. So what I do, I just define 4 5 and I just check k equals to a is alphanumeric, and I just write print k and run this code. You can see true because my a is of alphanumeric, right? If I just remove this 452 and I just run the program, so you will get output as a true because this is alphanumeric, right? Your string is alphanumeric. Okay, so in both cases you got the output as a true, right? So this will validate the alphanumeric, right? Now is alpha is alpha, I just run the code. You will get output as a true because your string is alpha. If I just add this 4 to this string, now see the output is false because this India, this is variable a is not alpha, it is alphanumeric, so you will get output as a false, right? So it will check alpha or character. Okay, now C is digit. Let's use it is digit function. Is digit. Run this program. Again, you will get output as a false because this is not a digit. Let's remove this. Sorry, and again run this program. You get output as true because this string is only contain digit value, right? So you will get output as a true. So it will validate the digit in given string. Now we have one more function called space. If I just write a and use a is space, we will get output as a true because this a is of space type. Okay, if I just write here Mumbai, then you will get output as a false because this a is not a space now, it contains some of the value, right? So that's it from this function, right? So with the help of is space we can validate particular string is space or not. With the help of is upper we can check whether particular string is in uppercase or not. With the help of this function we can check whether particular string is in lowercase or not. Okay, with the help of this we can check whether string is digit or not. Here we check the alpha, here we'll check the alphanumeric of that of a particular string. So this is the string validation function.